Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add webcam overlay in OBS. The first thing you need to do is to launch the OBS studio on your computer. If you haven't added the webcam yet, go ahead and click on the plus button in the sources box to add your webcam. But first you need to select an existing scene or to create a new scene. These are my scenes, so I've selected the game recording scene. If you want to create a new scene, click on the plus icon to create a new scene. So this is an existing scene. I'm heading over to the sources box and I'm just going to click on the plus icon and click on video capture device. Then the next thing is to name the capture device and choose your webcam from the list and just select OK. So this would be webcam overlay, and I'm just going to select OK, and that's my webcam. So from this place you're going to have to select your webcam. This is my webcam HP True Vision, and once you're done with that, go ahead and click on OK. Then you need to add the overlay image. Click on the plus button in the sources box and select image. Name the image source. It's going to be webcam overlay image. Then select OK. Then once you're done, browse for your overlay image file, which could either be PNG with a transparent background. It should be, but I have a transparent background, so I'm just going to select this anyway. And once you're done, select OK. Then position the overlay, that's drag the overlay image source in the sources list to ensure it is above your webcam source. Now this is the image overlay and this is a webcam source, so I'm going to have to reposition my webcam by clicking on my webcam, and I'm just going to click on transform and say fit the screen. Then this is my show. I don't want this to fit the screen, so I'm just going to reposition and adjust. As you can see, this should be transparent, right? It should definitely be in a PNG form. So once you've dragged the overlay image source in the sources list, in case it's not the first thing, just ensure that it is. You drag the overlay on top of the webcam source. Now this will make the overlay appear on top of the webcam feed. Now resize and position the overlay image by clicking and dragging it on the preview window, which I've done. Then if needed, you're going to have to resize and reposition your webcam feed by selecting the webcam source and dragging the corners or edges in the preview window. Now ensure the overlay aligns correctly with your webcam feed. Adjust the sizes and positions of both the webcam feed and the overlay as necessary. Now your webcam feed should now be displayed with the overlay applied. You can go over tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.